Welcome to the channel. Today is about fitting some LED indicators to the 500 and using the standard connectors that come with the KTM. If you don't mind chopping up the original wiring, you don't need the original connectors, obviously, but if you're like me and you don't like hacking into the wiring, you'll need to find the small connectors, these little guys that come with the OEM lights. I've managed to find them on eBay. They're JST connectors. They are a tiny little one. I will put the links below where I found them and a better description, but that's them. Came with, you can buy multiple quantities, little connectors, and this is, I've done one already. It's a small LED indicator with the plug on it, and I'll just wire up the next one. So the thing with these little connectors is that they are tiny. They are tiny, tiny, tiny. It's important that they don't go any wider than they are, because otherwise they don't fit into the little connector, the little plastic sheath thing. You get the rubber cap out of the end. I probably should have put that on first. Ah well. Because the connectors are so small, it will just slide over the top of those anyway. So no big drama. This is one I've done. So the red on these indicators goes on the right side when you're looking at it that way. Just push that in. You may need a small screwdriver just to push it firmly in. And it shouldn't come out. Just squeeze it together, just a fraction. Okay, they are in. Push the little waterproof plug back down into place. Push him in, right. And then we shall test it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.